Moravian Music Festivals are an enriching, motivating, spiritually and musically fulfilling week-long experience for all ages and abilities. The first early American Moravian Music Festival and Seminar was held in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania in 1950, conducted by Dr. Thor Johnson, who went on to conduct the first 11 Moravian Music Festivals. Thor was a Moravian musician who also started the Peninsula Music Festival in Wisconsin. He was a champion of American music and was the conductor of the Cincinnati Symphony and the Nashville Symphony.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm John Sinclair and I can't wait to work with you at this year's Moravian Music Festival from July 18th through the 24th. Yes, it's going to be a little different virtually, but it will be the same great music and the same great fellowship, even though a bit distanced. We all have a responsibility to keep this fabulous tradition, this great music, thriving and alive for future generations. And the opportunity to reach musicians from around the world for this festival is very profound. So please come and join me, register for the festival. We're going to have a wonderful time and I can't wait to see you. All my best.
Hello, I'm Hank Naseby, chairperson of the 26th Moravian Music Festival. We're so sorry we're not going to be able to get together in person this year, but we do hope you will join us for a virtual festival. We'll be meeting July 18 to 24. We invite music lovers and people of all abilities to join us for fellowship and a celebration of music. All information can be found at MoravianMusicFestival.org. We also want you to know that we're planning an in-person festival for Bethlehem, July of 2022.
The 26th Moravian Music Festival, July 18th through the 24th, 2021, will be mostly online and promises a wealth of opportunities to learn, connect, sing, and play, and to hear great music. Nationwide and worldwide connections and collaborations will be better than ever.
We celebrate knowing that having this festival online will actually allow for more participation from more people. There will be lots of content for you to choose from. We'll connect remotely for roundtables and social events. We'll offer videos of seminars, lectures, and music performances. As of now, it looks like ensembles will be limited to online collaborations, a virtual choir and a virtual band, and pre-recorded videos of concerts. We'll all be working on these projects during the spring, and they'll go live during Festival Week.
John Sinclair will be involved in all aspects of the choral programs for both summers, as will Alan Frank with the band programs. The Festival Committee is planning a second part with live performances and gatherings in the summer of 2022.
We hope you'll join us this summer and next summer in a wonderful celebration of music and fellowship.